What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money from a free app on your phone. Now here's the cool part. It's absolutely free. So as long as you have a smartphone, you can make money with this app. Now, the best part about this, it's free and it's very easy to make money. I'm gonna walk you through the exact steps I'm currently using, what works, what doesn't, and how you can start making money right now. So let's go. Alright guys, you're probably wondering, what is this free app? It's going to change the way you make money. It's going to help other people out. And how is it so easy, so effective that you can start making money? Well, the app is actually called Dosh. Now, I have Dosh on my phone. I've talked about this before. This is an incredible app that as of right now, okay, every person that you get to use Dosh, okay, I believe you get $15. $15. All they gotta do, sign up for it, and then go and connect either a credit card or a debit card. Here's the cool part, and yes, okay, I just want to be upfront with you guys. If you go and you use, my link and all that, okay, you do get I think you get $15 or $5 credited to your account, and then I get paid, I think, $15 as well, okay? So we're both making money. But here's the cool part. In addition to you making money from just signing up, okay, you can actually let other people know how they can make money using Dosh, okay? That's exactly what I'm gonna show you. So let's hop into the computer. I'm gonna show you right now how you can make money. All right, so here we are on Dosh.cash. It's not .com, Dosh.cash. This is a pretty cool website. Now, if you look here, okay, and it's all automatic. All you gotta do is connect a credit card to the account or a debit card, and anytime you use it at one of the locations, you make the money, you make the percentage back, okay? Just from yesterday, okay? I don't know if you can see it on mine, but just from yesterday, I made $16.15. That is not with anybody signing up. That is just what I made from shopping at JCPenney's, doing some back to school shopping, and buying dinner at Denny's. That was it. And I made $16.50 cash back, okay? So here's how it works. You go and sign up, and I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can get your I think it's $5 that you get, $5 or $15 that you get just for signing up, okay? Absolutely free. But here's the cool part, and I'll put a link down in the description box below if you want to go and try that. But here's the cool part, okay? You connect your card, you shop, dine in, dine out, you can buy online, buy in store, and you get paid just for having using your card. It's that simple, okay? So here's how you should be doing it and how you should be signing people up, okay? Because if we look on my phone, if you can see it, okay, you can see it right there. I'll just put up a screenshot, okay? There we go. I'm gonna put up a screenshot so I can show you guys. But there's a back to school button. So anybody that signs up, you can click on this button that says back to school, and it shows every location, every store in your current location where you can shop at and get money back. Here's what I do. I come over here to Facebook and I type in anybody doing back to school shopping. If you are, you need to use this free app. It will save you money on items you are already buying. Check it out here, okay? And then my link here, okay? That's all I'm doing, okay? Now I'm not doing it on my actual personal account simply because I don't do this. I don't really use my Facebook profile anymore, other than outside of business, okay? So if it's outside of business, I'm not using it. But this is what I would post. Now this is exactly what I'm doing on some of my other profiles, other accounts, and it's working 100%. It's easy, okay? Because what happens, okay? And what happened earlier, was my bag. I don't have my bag right around with me. But what happened earlier is I went to JCPenney's, bought a bunch of stuff, took a picture of it, okay? Pulled out my phone, took a picture of it, posted it on one of my Instagram accounts, and then I put the link to Dosh in my bio. And let people know, this is what I bought, this is what I paid, and I'm getting X amount back. I think it was like $480 something, $490, I don't know, somewhere around there. Under $5, I was getting cash back for what I bought at JCPenney's. That's just from today. Okay, so what I've earned just from the past like day and a half or whatever was $16.15 from those couple days shopping at JCPenney's and buying dinner at Denny's. Now that's the cool part. I can save money just by using this very simple app. It's free, but you can also make some money as well. Okay, how you make money, okay, is actually pretty simple. Right now, okay, you refer your friend to Dosh and get paid $5 for each person who signs up. I think right now it's $15 that you get paid. So if you go and sign up, I think I get $15, okay? So yeah, thanks for signing up. But on top of that, you are gonna be able to use this app. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you any money. They don't take any money out, nothing. Okay, just go and sign up. Okay, download the Dosh app on your phone, on your iPhone, on your Android. Okay, use the link down in the description box below. Okay, because that's gonna give you $5 just for signing up and attaching either a credit card or debit card to your account. Okay, if you have questions on it, you can always comment below and I'll help you out any way that I can. But the way that you make the money, okay, and this is so important, I want you to understand this, be 100% clear. The way you make the money is by signing other people up. Okay, when you sign somebody else up, I don't make any money off it. Okay, I don't. You make 100% of whatever that is. So if you're making $5, $10, $15, whatever it is that you're making, that's it. It's all going to you, into your pocket. It's just that referral fee that you get for being a member of Dosh. Okay, that's why I absolutely love this, because not only can you save money by doing shopping that you're already doing, but you can make money by signing other people up and helping them save additional money. And like I said, okay, what I thought was absolutely cool and what I've been using lately is that back to school feature. And just like I showed you here on Facebook, okay, that's all you need to do. Anybody doing back to school shopping? I know everybody's doing back to school shopping. I've been doing it probably for the past couple weeks. I'm still gonna be doing it for probably in the next week or so as well until school starts. So why not help your friends and family save some money by showing them and introducing them to Dosh? Okay, that's all I'm saying. This is a very simple, effective, and free app that you can make money with right now. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.